Hi everyone, welcome back to Software Testing Learner. So in this video, we are going to learn a very basic Java program to check whether a number is even or odd. Okay, so this program is very important for beginners, okay, especially for software testing learners who are starting with Java basics and logic building. So before writing the program, let us understand what is an even number, okay, and what is an even number and what is an odd number. Okay, so an even number is a number that is completely divisible by 2. Okay, if a number is completely divisible by 2, then we can say it is an even number. Okay, if a number is not completely divisible by 2, then we can say it is an odd number. Okay, so in Java, to check divisibility, we use a modulus operator, which is represented by percentage symbol. Okay, so the modulus operator gives us a reminder. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's suppose 10 is modulo divided by 2, which is equals to 0. How come it is 0? Because when 10 is divisible by 2, the quotient will be 5 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, then we can say it is an even number. Okay, let's suppose if 7 is modulo divided by 2, which means it gives a remainder as 1. How come it gives a remainder as 1? When 7 is divisible by 2. So 2 is divisible by 7 means the quotient will be 3 and the remainder will be 1. When it is 1, then it is a odd number. Okay, that means if the remainder is 0, when it is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then we can say it is a even number. If it is not divisible by 2, that means the remainder won't be 0, it will be any other number. So then it is called an odd number. Okay. Now let's see how a Java program is structured. Okay. So every Java program starts with a class and the main method. So first I have created a class named even or odd. Okay. Inside the main method, I am declaring an integer variable. So int number is equals to, I'll take 10. Okay, now I'm applying the if else condition. Okay, in if statement, I'll write the condition. What condition I'll write? Number modulo divided by 2 is equals to 0. That means if a number is modulo divided by 2 and the remainder, we'll get remainder with this. So the remainder should be equal to 0. Then we can say it is an even. Okay, it is an even number. Else we can say it is an odd number. Okay, so now let's run the program and check the output. So right click, run as, and Java application. See, it has given even number as a output. Okay, so let's suppose if I give the number here as some 7. Okay, now execute this program. Now what will be the output? Output will be odd number. Okay, so from interview point of view, the question is commonly asked to check your basic programming logic. Okay, so this is a complete explanation of even and odd program in Java. If you are a beginner or a software testing learner, so this program helps you to build the strong basics. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.